3 reasons to choose a balcony cabin over an ocean view. Number 1. Scenic seclusion. A balcony provides a private outdoor space, allowing you to enjoy the scenic views without the crowds. It's your personal oasis to unwind and soak in the beauty of the sea. 2. Fresh air anytime. With a balcony, you have instant access to fresh sea air. Whether it's sipping morning coffee or stargazing at night, the balcony becomes your open-air haven. 3. Elevated experience. A balcony adds an extra layer of luxury to your cruise. It's a wonderful spot for room service breakfast, sunset cocktails, or simply taking in the sights without leaving the comfort of your cabin. If you are a balcony enthusiast, share your balcony moments. There you have it, cruisers. There's your